Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Fit air filter. First, gather your tools. You will need a new air filter, which you can easily find online or at an auto parts store, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your engine is cool to the touch before you begin. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your car's performance and fuel economy. Now, let's locate the air filter box. It's a black plastic box usually found on the passenger side of your engine bay. You'll see two metal clips on the front of the air box. Unclip these to release the top cover. Next, use your Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the hose clamp that connects the intake tube to the air box. This will allow you to move the tube aside.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. On another note, if you're looking for a simple path to financial clarity, I highly recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth. It's truly a game changer for how you think about money. You can find a link to it and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
With the clamps and hose loosened, you can now carefully lift the top half of the air box. This will reveal your old, dirty air filter. Gently pull the old filter straight out. Take a moment to observe how it was seated, as you'll want to install the new one in the same way. Also, check the inside of the air box for any leaves, dust, or other debris and clean it out if necessary. Now it's time for the new filter. Carefully place your fresh air filter into the air box. Make sure it sits flush and securely within the housing. Once the new filter is in place, lower the top half of the air box, ensuring it aligns correctly. Re-engage the two metal clips on the front and finally, tighten the hose clamp on the intake tube until it's snug. Do not over-tighten.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.